This is your time to shine? I hope you do. We'll see about that.
Hop up out of bed.
Go and brush my teeth. Then I do my dance in the mirror. Look at me. I get up and eat breakfast and brush my teeth. And you know I wake my mama up so we can go outside and feel the breeze.
Wow, she really went all the way in on that one. You ready?
Yep.
If I were a
Cow. I would eat people and produce milk.
Let me get this straight. You think that an artist sat down in a studio and wrote, if I were a cow, if I was a balloon, all eyes on me in the center of the ring, just like a...
Lip gloss. Baseball bat. Done.
Just like a lip gloss? All eyes on me in the center of the ring, just like a... Like a wrecking ball? No.